Today, Tofu Scramble's on the menu. Welcome back to Takeout Tuesday. I'm Eric, and we're going to get right into cooking some. I know it's not takeout, but you can take it out of your van or your kitchen and eat it somewhere else. So, I got a half a package of tofu. I'm using this extra firm, left over from a recipe the other day. Last week, I guess. We're going to put some onions, some mushrooms, some red pepper, a couple Brussels sprouts, and I got Beyond Meat hot Italian sausage that I'm going to crumble in there as well. And Tofu Scramble seasoning. It's just a powder mixed up ahead of time. Turmeric, cumin, onion and garlic powder, salt and pepper, nutritional yeast, and black salt. Black salt, it's a salt, high sulfur content, makes things taste like egg, smell like egg as well. Some green onion, throw some green onion in here too. So we're just going to get the frying pan heating up. The tofu we're just going to crumble right into the pan. We're not going to use all this onion. Just a little bit of this. It's a large onion, so that is more than plenty for today. Try and keep your veggies cut in consistent sizes, and that just helps with your cooking. They cook more consistent if the sizes are more consistent, you know. And getting a little warmed up. It's just a little bit of vegetable oil, whatever oil you like to use. I'm just going to let that warm up. I'm going to turn the heat down some so it doesn't accidentally get too screaming hot. Just going to get the onions in there first. Soften them up. This is more onion than you probably need. I like a lot of onion in my dishes. I'm going to give these mushrooms a rough chop as well and throw them in there. Those take a little longer to sweat down. And Brussels sprouts, I'm going to quarter them just to keep them a decent size with the rest of the ingredients. It'll also help them cook a little faster. Get that going in there. Oh, I had another piece of pepper here. Chop that. Just so everything gets a little heat evenly there. Just mix it up a little bit once in a while. Oh, I'm going to start crumbling the tofu in here. If your tofu is really wet, you might want to press it first. I find a lot of the extra firm tofu is not too bad. Especially if it's vacuum packed, they tend to be firmer if they're packed in water. Those are the ones you might want to press. So while that's cooking a bit, if you haven't subscribed already, click the subscribe button down there below. It's almost the end of the year. I'm getting close to 300 subscribers. I would love to see 300. It would really help me out if you subscribe below and put a comment. What would you put in your tofu scramble? Or what else would you like to see done with tofu? We'll try and accommodate. That, and take this sausage, vegan sausage, of course. I'm going to put that in there. The only required ingredients in this are, say, the spice mix, and you can change that up, and the tofu. The rest of the additions, whatever you have on hand, whatever you like. These just happen to be some veggies that I still had in the fridge. It's starting to stick a little on me, so I'm going to throw a little water in here just to get it off the bottom of the pan. The green onion I have, I'm just going to cut up the white parts. Get those in. And the green parts I'm just going to cut up to add in later. Oh, put the peppers in. Now for the tofu seasoning. Turmeric definitely gives some flavor. Gives the yellow eggy color. Nutritional yeast, a little bit of an umami. Maybe a bit of a cheesy flavor sometimes. Onion and garlic powder, salt and pepper. All very important in trying to replicate the egg taste. Now, that all being said, this might give you an egg resemblance. It's not going to taste like egg. Don't expect it to be an exact replacement for your scrambled egg. It's meant to give you a dish similar to what you would have with scrambled egg. If you make this, comment below or tag me on Instagram at Eric's Vegan Dan. Love to see your creations. I've got plenty of color I'm just going to add a little bit more in here. It's to your liking, more or less, depending on how much flavor you want from it. Again, the recipe for that seasoning mix on my blog. I'll link to my website and that recipe in the description, and I'll also put it in the first comment below, so you should be able to find it, no problem. So that's just a little bit of prep work for pulling stuff out of the fridge and cutting up vegetables. Comes together rather quick. Put that to the side. Actually, let's put it to that side. Gonna grab a plate, and really that's all there is to it. Turn the heat off that. Oh, we're just, ooh, handle's warm. Oh, I'm just going to sprinkle that green onion on there. If you're having toast or a bagel with this, this is enough for 2 people easily. I'm going to skip the bagel today and just have the tofu. So here we go. Looks pretty tasty. So thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like this. Thumbs up. And if you haven't, again, subscribe below. It's free. Not going to cost you anything. And if you click that bell, you get notified of future videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.